She was like, yeah, I'll probably do my nails too. I was like, all right, perfect. They're not up there right now, right?
No.
She's great. So I wanted to make sure and ask you if it's okay if I can marry your mom. Today's my big day. Super excited. We're proposing to the love of my life, and there is no possibilities for a no, and it's gonna be a yes. So, ready for this moment. Babe, I love you, and I hope you don't know that's coming, but it's coming. What up? What's up, boy? How are you?
Oh, good. How you doing, bro?
Good, man. Nice to see you again.
All right.
I've always kind of known ever since we started dating, but I've known her for 10 years, which is crazy. But yeah, you know, she's super easy to talk to, very loving, caring, and she shows that through obviously affection, but the way how I see it is how she treats Trishelle.
Why would I not love her?
Okay, so what do you love about her?
That she cares for other people. I love how she takes care of all of us. The most thing I love about her is that she's really organized.
She's really organized?
Yeah,
She is very organized. You're funny. I completely agree. So, I wanted to ask you, what do you think if Daddy proposes to Auntie Bernadette?
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's okay with me.
That's okay with you? You sure?
Yeah.
I love you, and I want to make sure that you're okay with it. It makes me very emotional because I love you a lot, baby, and you're always going to be my number one. And I also want somebody in our lives that will always show you love and will also care for you too, as much as Daddy
I can't look at your face because if you cry, that makes me cry.
I love you, baby. So, you know I love your mom very, very much, and she means a lot to me. And you also mean a lot to me, and I love you like you're my own. And I want you, Trishelle, and your mom and I to be a happy family together forever. So I wanted to make sure and ask you if it's okay if I can marry your mom. Yeah? Are you okay with that? You sure? Give me a hug. I love you, buddy. Knowing my background story of family-wise, you know, so it's hard to find someone like that can be supportive, loving to someone else's child, you know.
Take them in as
Exactly. I am nervous. Just I'm just thinking when that day comes. I don't know how I'm gonna act. There's times that I almost slip up where things I have to do is oh, I gotta hop on this call to, talk to the person about the ring. And I was oh, I should be saying that. I took her parents out to dinner. It's crazy, from calling them auntie and uncles when we were just friends to transitioning to mom and dad. It's a whole nother level.
The real reason why I wanted to bring you guys out. It's been 10 years since I've known you guys, and to the fact that it's ever since I've known Omar, ever since knowing you guys within the past 10 years, you guys have been nothing but welcoming with open arms to myself and especially to Michelle. I want to assure you guys that I love Bernadette and more than I can ever imagine. And especially loving AJ like I do with my own. So I'm planning on proposing to Bernadette. So I'm planning to propose to Bernadette, and before I do, I wanted to ask you guys a blessing. I just wanted to ask you guys before I did that.
Thank you. Just take care of them, especially.
They said yes.
Oh, I actually have the ring. You want to see it?
Yeah. Dang.
I love this girl. She's been my best friend for as long as I've known. With this 10 years of friendship turning into basically a true love story. She's very caring, very loving, always thinks about others other than herself. Like, she just goes above and beyond without any expectations.
If there's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Hey, if there's a question
As planned, today's the photo shoot. She's planning her own proposal. She's definitely planning her own proposal, and I don't think she knows about it. So the good thing is that we're gonna go through our day, go through this photo shoot, and at the end, it's popping that big question.
Right here. So then I want to do like a little 45 degree this way. So that way I can see you guys' faces. Come here. There we go. Just like exactly like that. And then I want you to come up a little bit forward. There we go. Boom. Kids, can you just run around your parents? Run around this way, yeah. Yeah, run around the circle. Okay, next one. What I want is, you guys are gonna walk down this way. Bernadette and you will hold AJ. I want you to swing him in the air. Okay. And then you will run towards me, okay? All right? Okay. Yeah. I just want you to hold your mom and then just look up at her. Let's right. Right here. Perfect. There we go. You're gonna kick the sand up in the air, okay? I want you to cartwheel behind them, okay?
Oh, okay.
He's gonna kick it, she's gonna cartwheel behind him.
Okay. So aiming for 11?
You still got?
Oh no, I'm just trying to make sure.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
They're not up there right now, right?
Oh, no.
Dad, can you wipe down my phone?
We're gonna do one real quick. I want to use the kids first to show what we're gonna do, and then I want y'all to do it. Cool. All right. Can you look at the recording? Make sure it has a red dot on it.
Yeah.
It is. Okay. So basically, you'll bend down, you'll hold it, right? You squat and hold, and then you'll put the sand in the air. One, two, three.
Yeah, it's amazing how she is as a person. I just can't thank her enough, and definitely if there was one gift I can give her in the world is my set of eyes on the way how I see her. She can't really see or feel the way how I express her, no matter what gesture, the love I may give, she doesn't understand how beautiful she is in my eyes.
Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
So, it's been a while coming, and we've been together for over a year, and you've been nothing but great to me. But we've been friends for 10 years. You've never once let me down, and I love you for who you are, and I thank you for loving Trishelle. I love you, AJ, and your family. So, I wanted to ask you with everybody here, will you marry me? Yeah?
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others.
It took a lot of planning, but made it work. So I made sure to bring Mom and Nana here.
You're my heart's desire.
Thank you.
I just wanna
Hi, thanks for
love
coming.
you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till
You
we
made
grow
it.
old. Tell me you'll stay,
Thank you so much.
take me away. I want
Thank you.
for myself every single day.
Thank you.
You set my
made it, bro. Yeah, thanks for coming.
world on fire.
But did you know during the photo shoot?
No.
See, that's what I told you. We had a legitimate photo shoot to make this happen. It was the art of magic, illusion.
Was it not legit?
Oh no, it wasn't legit. We tried to make it legit, but no.
Legit.
So we're not getting these photos?
No, we're getting the photos.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Oh shit.
Okay, everyone can come here now.
Oh shit.
Oh, we're running?
Oh my god.
Oh, we're running.
She's crying.
She's crying.
She's crying. Oh shit. Run. Too fast and furious. Too fast and furious.
So, I wanted to ask you if everybody here. You marry me? Yeah.